Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're going to change the signal bulb on the back for this 2010 Toyota Corolla, and then also on the front headlight. For this car, there's a low beam bulb and then high beam bulb, and we're going to change the low beam bulb. Alright, so the passenger bulb is working, and then driver's side, this one's not working. So when you do the high beam, the low and then the high, both of them turns on. But on this side, only the high beam is working. We turn the high, and the low beam is not working. Alright, so this is how to tell when your light bulb is broken or burned out. It flashes fast signal like that. And we turn right, this is the normal turn signal. So the left side is broken then. So let's go back there and check it out. So the passenger on the right hand side, the blank signal is working. This is the reverse light. And then this is a double filament brake light. So when I did the left signal, only the interior lights have hyper flash. So none of it is working, so we gotta change it. Alright, the customer brought two of this. I believe you only need one of it. So the other one, they could either return it or keep it for the future use. Okay? And I believe that they forgot to buy the signal, the turn signal bulb. Hopefully I have one in the garage somewhere. So we're gonna go pop out the hood. Right here. Oh my God, pretty heavy. We're gonna get the hood rod out and then put it right there. Wow, so it's all the way in there. It's gonna have a tight space right there. Need to unplug it and then turn the counter clockwise and to take out the bulb. Turn the counter clockwise to remove the bulb first. Make sure you play with it. Or jiggle with it. There you go. And then right here, I guess we don't need to remove it then. The plug, I mean. Oh yeah, we do have to remove it in order to. So after you remove it, it's easier to push this latch right here. And then you can release it. So I'm gonna use my two hand because I don't wanna touch the bulb with my finger, which is as oil, okay? And that's gonna burn out faster. Alright, I'm going to unbox this. It's not that easy to open this, so. Yeah, I gotta use my two hand. Here you go. Alright, so what I like to do is leave it for now, and then I'm gonna turn on the headlight, the low beam, then make sure it turns on before I put it back in. Alright, then there you go. Okay, now we're gonna put it back in. You don't want to do double work. Make sure you put it back the same position while how you take it out. And make sure you don't force it, okay? And you're gonna do it like clockwise. Make sure it's flush and then turn. There you go. And that's it. And with the signal light, you need to pry this out with a flathead screwdriver. Those are plastic fastener. There's one down here and one up here, and you're gonna flap this open, okay, and then take out the bolt that way. So I got the bottom one out, and then this one, you use the screwdriver, jam it on both sides, yank it once, and then second time on the right, and then it's gonna pop up slowly, and then that's it, okay? So we're gonna flap this down, and then you're gonna reveal this turn signal light right here, the plug, and then there's one right there, that's for the parking, and then brake light. So with this plug, we gotta turn it same thing counterclockwise to loosen it up, and then pull it outward. So this is the bolt right here, okay? I'm gonna take it out. Hopefully I have it. So this one is the 1157. Maybe there are other part number, okay? Alright, apparently this one is only single, okay? That's why you see only one bolt in the inner part. That's why, and they only got the one at the metal wire right here on the clip instead of a double or two. And this one I got has in the garage. It has two. So I'm gonna try this one on. Should be working, no problem. Okay. Alright, so with this, you want to put it back together just by lining the hole again, and then push it in, okay? And same goes on the top, and that's it. Guys, it's moment two. I'm gonna turn the. Oh yeah, it is working. Now I gotta go back there and check it. Oh, nice. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video like always. Peace.